Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 共同館 I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce a high seasonal ingredient, Kobakogani. Kobakogani is a female of snow crabs. The feature will be the egg. It is really valuable and delicious. We can eat Kobakogani from the beginning of November to December. It is so limited. Because we are not allowed to catch it out of this season to preserve the ecosystem. If you like the crab and come to Japan in this season, please look for and try it. And I'll cook 2 Kobakogani dishes. I hope this video will be interesting and informative for you. Yes, let's make it. First of all, I'll prepare the crabs. The name of them is Kobakogani or Sekogani in Japanese. Kobako means a box of jewelry. It is female of snow crabs and smaller than male crabs. They have beautiful eggs. The eggs are very delicious. At first, I'll boil them. Also, we can boil them with salt water. I'll use Dashi. We will get amazing crab soup. Okay, I add sake and kombu. I turn on the heat. It becomes warm and the flavor of kombu is extracted. Then I add the crabs. I washed them just before. I heat it over high heat until it starts to boil. Once it begins to boil, I remove the foam. It is important to make tasty and clear soup. Nice, I turn down the heat and cover it with a lid. I heat it for 15 minutes over low heat. 15 minutes later, I open the lid. The crabs are fully cooked. I turn off the heat. I remove the crabs. Okay, I let it stand for a while. This soup is very delicious. I'll use it to make the crab and rice. It is also good to make miso soup. Okay, I'll break the crabs into pieces. At first, I'll pull the legs off. It is easy to remove them by hands, but we can use a knife as well. Good. Okay, I've done 3 crabs. Next, I'll break the head part. First, I'll pull these eggs off. The eggs are called sotoko in Japanese. Soto means outside, ko means children. The eggs are so funny bubble texture. Okay, it's nice orange color. Beautiful. I set it aside. Then I pull off the head part. I put a bit of pressure on it. Nice. We do not eat this part, so I remove it. Okay. Next, I remove this red part. This part is called uchiko in Japanese. Uchi means inside, and it is immature eggs. Outside one is sotoko, inside one is uchiko. The texture is a bit chewy and gentle sweet taste. Okay, then crab innards. This is called kani miso in Japanese. Kani means crab. We call the innards miso. It's pretty loved in Japan. Okay. Next, I remove the crab meat. Actually, Kobakogani is a bit small, so there is not much meat, but the meat is so tasty. I cut the both sides of the leg shortly with step and knife. I recommend to cut it from the back side of the leg, because the back side is softer than front side. I remove the leg meat with a thick stick. I put a pressure on the leg and push the meat like this. Good. And I get rid of the bone. Very easy. Nice. This is the body part. I divide it into half and cut it into half again. It is a bit hard, so please take care. Good. This part has much delicious meat. And I remove the meat with chopsticks. It takes much time, but we can eat the crab so comfortably. Almost. Beautiful. I'll use this head part as a plate, so I clean it. Nice. I prepared everything. Leg meat, body meat, uchiko, sotoko, at last, kani miso. Let's arrange them on the plate. I place the body meat and uchiko. Nice. And sotoko. Good. And leg meat. Finally, kani miso. Nice. Kobakogani is done. Kobakogani goes well with sudachi. Let's eat it. I dip it into this vinegar sauce. I love to eat the crab with vinegar sauce. Sotoko and uchiko. The flavor of them is really thick and tasty. Perfect taste. I'll introduce the recipe of this vinegar sauce instantly. I add 100 grams of dashi, 30 grams of vinegar, and 20 grams of light soy sauce. Okay, I'll heat it. Once it boils, I turn off the heat and let it cool. So simple. I'll also introduce the cutting way of sudachi. First, I cut it into half like this. I remove the seed and cut it into half again. Finally, I remove the core like this. Okay, we get much juice from it. Okay. Then I'll introduce crab and rice. I add the rinsed rice to donabe. Then I add crab dashi at the same amount of the rice. This dashi is really tasty. And soy sauce. A pinch of salt. I cover it with a lid and I cook the rice. Okay, I open it. The smell is so great. I add them to the rice. Sotoko, uchiko, and crab meat. I really recommend this rice. The bubble texture of sotoko is so nice, and the rice absorbs the amazing flavor of crab dashi. Of course, crab meat and uchiko are very delicious. Okay, I arranged on the rice bowl. The look is also perfect. Finally, I top the leg meat and kani miso. Okay, good. Crab and rice is done. I hope you will enjoy Japanese crab dishes. Perfect. Thank you. How was Japanese crab dishes? What is your favorite way of eating the crab? I learn more crab recipes. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.